Now it is time for our second filtering of the hydrated aluminum. We are using another laboratory decanter bottle. And this is our first filtering. This is what it looks like. This is the first filtering of the hydrated aluminum using one coffee filter. This time we have two coffee filters in here to filter it. So let's try this out. You can see why we picked just one filter at first, so that in the second time with the second two coffee filters that it will go through the filters quite readily. And then pretty soon it'll be time to do our third filtering using two coffee filters. So these are the components of the 1910 Work Magazine formula. This last little bit takes a little time to go through. Every time you filter this, it then goes easier through the filter. Next time we'll be using 3 coffee filters on the next filtering into the clear bottle.